Hi, this is Vijay Patel from India. I am very much thankful to Mr. Allen who gave me a right machine CNC router and gave me a good feedback about his company, and we are making varieties of products in this machine. So I am very thankful to Mr. Allen who gave a needful machine and quality machine, and he gave a full confidence about his company and the machine. In this machine we are making lots of type of doors, designs, quality and variety of doors in this machine. Really I like this machine very much, and it is also working very in good condition. So once again I am very thankful to Mr. Allen. So I request to the Omni CNC router machine company that I am very much thankful to Mr. Allen. Thank you. In this machine we are making this type of doors and also this type of doors. We are making carving through these machines. Because of this machine we have captured lots of customers in our area. This is the carving work which we had done in CNC router, company name